cut this nice and flat using this saw. Made a jig so that I can just go like this, push it through off this straight edge here, instead of trying to use this thing here, which I don't even know what to say. You have a bit of a sand, drilled holes in her, which I think you already know. This is the second day I'm at it. As you can see, I've got a red shirt, blue shirt, not a red shirt. Get it right in tape. Bought myself a clock. That, you can see, should go over nicely to give enough detail of where your numbers are. This still needs a clean up. So, what we got to do today is with this heavy long shit, put the mechanism in here somewhere, so that when this comes in, which I think we might just have it about there, roughly anyway. Get the measurements from either side, right? Draw a circle, find out where the center of that is, and go from there. Okay. About 1.5 there. About 1.5 there. That's about right. This is touching the top, so we might not want that. That's 2. Now let's just move you down to 1.5. We should just give this half. Yeah, it's half from the top. 1.5 from that side. That's perfect just there. Now I just make a circle. Fun part is, now I'm going to find the center of that circle, so I can do it for this other clock to get the square part out of it, so the mechanism can go there. There was a method where you do lines across here and here, and then you get a right angle triangle and go across. So it gets that with the middle of this, which would then give you your center. Well, I haven't got one of them, so that's not going to work for me. Looking around the shop, and well, lo and behold, a triangle. But what I need to do now, I'm just going to go from one side to another and another side over there. It should give me my center. Let's just say we'll go with 10, just easier to do, especially because then you've got to halve it, but you don't want them parallel, you want them offset. It's the only way it will really work. And you get your right angle triangle. Well, not yet. Thinking too far ahead. Get your ruler back here. Go to your line. Find half, which is 5 for me. Then now you get the triangle. Follow the edge on your triangle to your mark. And mark down. And do the same on this side, and these should intersect, which should give you your center, or very close to it. And there is your center. Move him out of the way, because we need this. And no, it's not this big. The mechanism is only this size. I more or less got to get this size on the bit of wood. Just pin. It's all delicate work. You don't want to break it. And they flared it out. That's 1. That's 2. And all I've got to do now is undo that. I've got it finger tight now where I can just undo it. And there we go. One mechanism with its arms. Put this all aside. Put it that way. finished the hole. This thing fits in there nicely and snug. It's not even going to hit. Only issue is, if we glue this in there, well, you got one battery and that lasts however long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole from the bottom all the way up through here, run wires down, get a battery, that like a little holding housing, and put it at the bottom of this base, which should be a lot better than, well, having no battery and then having to somehow reef it out and change it. Because I'm also going to get a round plate out of the same wood, make it look pretty and nice, although it doesn't really matter if it's pretty or nice, and put it over it so it looks better. Found the auger bit, which will basically do the same thing, well and truly long enough to do. Usually I'm going to do it by hand, but I ain't got time for that. Probably wouldn't hurt that it would actually be, well, I don't know, sharp, which this isn't. So if I'm not. The holes through here, goes all the way down, cut acrosswards and upwards, gave it a center line, and we should roughly know where it is. This is a thicker one. So it's squashing the mechanism. We've got that much to work with, which is probably about 5 mil, give or take, maybe a bit more. Yeah, just about 5 mil. So if I go here, alright, come in that 5 mil, alright, and drill no more than there and there, probably this bit, we shouldn't have an issue with this coming out and looking funny. So what we'll do is we'll drill that out now with a really blunt bit, 'cause damn, just to make sure she's all lined up.